vaccinates them all. I have a sister-in-law that doesn't. Problem is, they can reintroduce issues that we dealt with in the past, malaria and typhus and other things, that reintroduce them again if people don't vaccinate. They have a compelling argument. Sometimes they overdo it, sometimes there's greed and money involved.
Born, he received like 50 vaccinations. 51 vaccinations, ridiculous.
Yeah.
It's not as the mercury that you have in it, the methyl mercury to preserve it.
Anyway, so the halacha for today is the rabbi instituted Netilat Yadaim, as we learned in the morning. And reason being is just to get the Kohanim accustomed. Before they eat Teruma, they need the hands. Their hands need to be washed. So they didn't want to differentiate between us and them, that everyone should wash their hands. Now, before the washing, you have to make sure that there's nothing in between, nothing separating between the water and your skin. Therefore, you got to clean your hands. Someone that has long nails has to make sure that there's no dirt under the nails. If he removed the dirt with water before washing, halacha kli, by the letter of the law, he has to dry his hands from that water before the washing of the hands, because that water is impure water, and they are preventing his hands from being purified. So therefore, he washed his hand to clean them. He has to dry his hand and then wash them again.
Is that in the morning, or is that before eating?
Yeah, before eating.
Yes, before.
Yeah.
And that goes for a woman also?
Of course, both.
Clean her nails? I'm talking about.
No, if there's dirt under the nails. If she has a nail polish, she doesn't need to remove a nail polish.
No, I'm saying if she has dirt under her nails.
Yeah, of course. Of course, yeah. Now, it says you have to wash your hands with lots of water. So making sure that the water will reach the entire palm and around the fingers, all the length of the fingers. It says, Yarim ve'maleta netila biyado hayamanit. He should fill up the cup with his right hand and transfer it to the left hand, and he should pull from the left to the right 3 times. His fingers are raised up a little bit, and to make sure that there is a space between one finger and the other so the water can reach everywhere. You should then, after you wash 3 times on this hand, you should, if it's empty, you should fill it up, and if you still have a lot of water in there, take a towel or a napkin, hold the handle, and then pour another 3 times in the left hand. As we read yesterday in the Ayom Yom, the Rebbe Marash, the 4th Lubavitcher Rebbe, instituted also he said to leave some water in the last one, to leave some water in the left hand, and then rub the hands together, and then do the mitzvah of Netilat Yadaim. Some even raise their hands and they say the bracha.
The problem with the keli is the keli is metal and it's still considered tamei.
Right. So that's why we're using
plastic.
No, in saying even if you use the metal kli, when you're pouring on the left hand, and the right hand pours on the left hand, we use a napkin to hold the handle. You use a napkin or towel to hold the handle, and then you pull to the left hand.
Otherwise, your hand is tamei.
It's more of a stringency. It's not going to make your hand tamei. It's a kli that is made for hands washing. It's not a problem. Chabad is more stringent about it, and we use a napkin or towel to pull to the left. The Tanya can be found on page 101.